Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should have Excel open and the target cells selected now. First, click the Home ribbon and focus on the font group. It shows font name and size. Once done, type the font name or open the drop-down to preview options and choose a font installed on your computer. This ensures consistency when sharing. Also set the size and basic styles because these first choices define readability. Make sure to use web-safe fonts for shared files to avoid substitution. Next, press Ctrl+1 to open Format cells and go to the Font tab. Here you control weight, color, underline, and effects. This is where precision lies. Once you set those, use cell styles or themes to propagate choices across the workbook, because manual changes can be inconsistent. If you need dynamic changes, use conditional formatting rules that switch fonts based on values. Also consider theme fonts to maintain a uniform look across sheets. This avoids manual fixes later. Finish by checking how the file exports to PDF or prints, because missing fonts often reflow layout. Enable font embedding when exporting. If a font appears substituted, use Find and Replace to swap fonts workbook-wide, and run the compatibility checker to spot unsupported fonts on other platforms. Make sure to save your setup as a template if you reuse it, and protect formatted cells to prevent accidental changes. If something still breaks, reinstall the font and restart Excel as a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.